The boards are getting bad. This big old walkway, and then there's three more steps going up there. You can see, let's see if I zoom in over there, that's dropped down a little bit, a couple of inches. So I'm going to remove all of this lower portion, build a new set of steps right there, and put some of these paved stones up there. Maybe make about a 5-foot step instead of 10 foot or whatever that is. So first thing I'm going to do is start tearing all this old stuff up. Let me get a couple of wrecking bars that look like they're nailed in there. The upper portion is screwed. I built that. This bottom is nailed, so you take that lattice off, all of that, and throw that mess on the trailer. Already. Well, there's part of it. I guess I'm not believing how bad it really is under there. You can see the old black color where it's rotted. But I guess I'm almost at the halfway point. I'm already huffing and puffing, but it's 40 degrees outside, so it's gonna warm up. Let me keep after it. Well, I got all of the deck loose out. Well, I'm still making progress, but a little bit at a time. It looks like I'm going to be able to use those two stringers. They're pretty solid. I just have to continue cutting 2 more tread places on them. That's a match set. And I'm only going to have a 5-foot. So if I scoot them in about 6 inches, and then space them 1, 2, and 3, 2 feet apart, that'll cover 4 feet. Have a little bit over the edge, and that will let me put a step. In fact, see how, nope. I guess that answered that question. This stuff does not hold up in Texas humidity down here in southeast Texas. If it was out at Junction, further west, dry as a powder house, but here, no. And this one is bad. I'm gonna have to cut it back about a couple of feet, scab a piece onto it, and start with this 2x6 floor joist. This one, same thing. I'm gonna have to go back further. See that old white stuff? That is mildew. I'm gonna cut it off, do some solid wood, and scab onto that one, and get this show on the road. All right, back to work. Okay, I've got it down to where I think I need to be. I cut off 2 of these floor joists. I'm gonna make a little inventory of what I gotta have. I know a couple of 2x6s for that. A bunch of 2x6s. Let's see, I'm gonna have probably 1, 2, 3, 5 steps, and probably use 2x6s for that. So I'm getting there, and I'll need a 2x12 to match up with that. An 8-footer might do it to make 1 more stringer. Then I can get this show on the road. Meanwhile, I have a huge pile of junk to haul off. Those I'm kind of saving. Those two look almost new, and I've got to put one on the far edge of this deck on the porch behind that swing. So I'm saving that one for that. All this here, I got to take that off. If I'm not going to a basketball game today, then I can finish this. I'm not tired. I'm tired of being here. It's not as much fun as working on a Jeep. All right, be back in a minute. All right, well, as you can see, I've got the header board across there, and I've got my 3 stringers cut. They're all pretty level at the top, but as you can see, they're not level on the bottom. So to do a little shovel work, dig out, build up, whatever. Looks like I got to build up the middle one, dig out the one here on this end. The one on the other end is just about perfect, but the block needs to be scooted up further underneath that foot. So let me get after that. Wonder why it wasn't recording. I was nailing those on there. I looked over here in this thing, or walked over here to shut it off, and it was off. That looks good. There it is. Flush. One in the middle, one over here. And what do they say? That ain't going nowhere. Then you can run upstairs or walk upstairs. Either one. All right. Well, let's see. Let me get back here. Yeah. Go up the little steps. Dang if they don't even look kind of level. And I may put a kickboard in there too. If she wants a kickboard. Whatever. And possibly a handrail, I guess. I've already got that post. I could put one post down here at the bottom and put a handrail too. I'll have to get a little more material. But that's it for Mud Grip Mike. Thanks for watching. Now go work on the Jeeps.